Matthew McConaughey in this piece. Yeah, big pimpin', spinning them G's. I gotta. Sub nerds, it's your boy, Fury Rider, just doing my daily driving. Probably gonna do a face reveal at the end of this video because of not only the other YouTube channel that I've been talking about that we're getting going, but also because it makes my life so much easier on Fury Rider. The reason why I wanted to not show my face, kind of the same as Blockhead, wanted my privacy, but looking at other moto vloggers that do show their face, they're able to make better quality content, which is kind of what I want to make over here, over at your boy Fury Rider. The thought is, show my face, because it's going to be shown on the other YouTube channel anyways, and I can start making other videos that I wanted to make. Ooh, dropped it down to third gear, or second gear, accidentally. Look at that guy. First being the first part of the How to Ride series that I'm gonna do. I've got it recorded, I don't have other parts recorded yet, and so I don't want to release it without releasing the other parts, so that's why I'm doing like a little cheeky in-between video. But it is coming, it's coming. I'm gonna teach you guys how to ride, for better or worse. Hopefully I do a good job. Part of the reason I want to show my face, like I said, not just for the other YouTube channel, but also because I can make different kinds of videos. It'll just be easier, you know? You'll like them, I'll like them. It'll be a fantastic time. Plus my old mic I rigged up to my Canon works surprisingly well. So it works out. I've got a mic and the quality's gonna be better. And after much debate, because I don't want to use my gamer tag thing, I still call it a gamer tag, but it's like my PSN ID. I don't want to use that on the other channel, and so I'm just pretty much going to go by Fury Rider over there too. So if you do go to that other channel, we're recording videos, by the way. We've got some videos in the works. I'm probably lacking the most out of all the dudes. We got, I forgot what he changed his name to. I think it's like Ghost something Minis, Ghost Man Minis. So I'm dying today because dumbass me didn't wear a mask when I was sanding last night. People are bitches. I'm lacking in the video department at the moment. I've got part of a script for an analysis video. I've got part of the script done, I just need to get the rest done. Kind of figure it out, because like I said in the previous video, I feel like some of what I said was redundant. I think it'll take me just a couple of hours to get everything together properly, but I keep getting sidetracked with all these little random topics. So like part of what I was gonna do is a video. I was gonna do Skyrim VR on PSVR just because I did it before and it was a lot of fun. I was gonna give that bitch a tusk. That bitch loves tusk. Yeah. Oh shit, there's a tusk. And so, I was gonna do it again, but, you know, and right now, I do have one video in the works, but this is gonna take a long time. I'm finally redoing the bass guitar that I talked about at the beginning of the series, at the beginning of the channel here on Fury Rider. Right now, I'm sanding it, and it's a whole new concept to me. I've never done anything like this before. I'm sanding it, turning out pretty good. I'm getting into the bare wood, getting off all the old paint. And then I've got bridge, tuning peg, pickups, electronics. I've got all that stuff picked out. I'm going to make that a video over for the other YouTube channel. And once we get some videos recorded, I'll link it. The other YouTube channel, I mean. But the big project here over at Fury Rider, brother, is the How to Ride series. Like I said, I have part of one video, well, I have one video filmed at the beginning of the series, the introduction, if you will. I got that filmed, I just don't have anything else filmed yet. And I want to make sure I give you guys the right information that I can, and so I have to rewatch what I've got filmed, make sure it works correctly, and I'm pretty sure it's all good. So I'm going to film the other parts. I would like to have them all filmed before I start putting them out on the channel, because if anything, I just want to upload them one right after the other. I might, you know, I'll probably do it. There'll be like a month where it's just gonna be How to Ride series, so that's why I want to get them all done, so that, you know, 1 week you'll get the first one, next week you'll get the follow-up, so on and so forth. I don't want to make you guys wait. Figured might as well do it this way. I hate them! I hate old people. They're the worst. We got all these projects that I'm working on. It's funny, because I just made that one video, you know, projects. Because I was thinking about doing the bass project and doing the band and stuff like that. Don't even get me started on the band. We've got all kinds of stuff we're working on as well. So it's just... But that video that I made where I was like, oh yeah, I'm such a professional about it. I've got all my stuff worked out in management, on time management, on money management. Yeah, don't listen to me. That's why I'm like, it's an opinions video. It's my opinion. And in that case, my opinion is sucking ass because I can't get my shit together. I'm trying to get like everything all worked out and like all these projects done and time spent on all of them. I have gotten better. I will say this. I have gotten better at managing my time. And I've got days that are meant specifically just for Fury Rider stuff. And going forward, there's going to be days of the week where I'm doing things specifically for the other YouTube channel and for the band. It is definitely a process. You know how I do. Also, I think I'm going to try making my own comedy. Kind of like how I did with the Bob's Used Car Sales. Say you need to drop the tranny on your car, or your truck, or your SUV. Down at Bob's Used Cars Auto Sales. Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. We got Bigfoot, and we got tacos and burritos, and we're going to be selling every car on the lot. Come down to Bob's Used Car Sales. Yay! It's touching their car, or motorcycle, or truck down at Cobb Used Cars, Trucks, and Motorcycles. And then that one time where I'm like, I did a slow talking voice.
You know, you should get a motorcycle.
So yeah, I gotta do more of that stuff. Or like when I was like, hell yeah. Because what I was doing before, where I was using YouTube clips, I got a copyright claim against me in the last video, so I had to, it was out later than usual because I had to edit it. I used a song for comedic effect, but yeah, striked the video, so I just deleted it, re-edited it, I edited out that song, and now it is the way it is. I've been thinking a lot about it, like just doing my own comedy instead of using like the GIFs and the video clips. Oh, hey, what's up, brother? Or me too. He was too cool to wave to me. He was one of them real biker bros. He can't wave to no pussy-ass Sportster. What do you think this is? California? Where everybody eats rainbows. And they build tree houses and eat non-processed meats. In fact, they don't eat meat at all, brother. What are you? Some type of cannibalistic asshole? I like how the biker bro is a vegan now. I'm a real biker bro. I'm a vegan. I only eat like Morningstar. I don't eat any animal products whatsoever. Luckily, this persona I've made has not really gone into my own life. So like, it doesn't bleed over. I'm not like just walking down the street and I'm like, brother. And I'm like, oh shit. I don't do anything like that. Thank God. I got that going for me. We're gonna get up and go to the biz. So I will catch you guys in like, I don't know, maybe a second. Well, let's see how it do. I was able to start uploading it to YouTube, and then Saturday morning it well, we'll see how long this one lasts, because it's been freezing a lot lately. Look at this gross ass shit. Ooh. Yeah, so we'll... Hey guys, it's me, Fury Rider. It took me like almost 2 hours to get this thing working again. I think at this point I'm pretty much just gonna have to get a new GoPro. So it's probably a good thing I did a face reveal, because we might have to change a little bit of the content going forward until I can get one. Kinda swamped at the moment, had a rough day, so we'll see what we can make going forward. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Smash the fucking like button, brother. Hit that bell icon to join the notification squad. If you like the video, leave a comment down below. Tell me your favorite part. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Big pimpin', spinning them G's, I gotta.